Hey, Santo, your time. Your time.
You got your time. You got your time. You got your time.
Hey, Santo, your time. Your time.
You know what to make. You got your time. You got your time. I'm walking to week 40.
Okay, so we hope you enjoyed last week's show, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
Where we interviewed Dawn, didn't we?
Yeah.
But Dawn didn't turn up, no.
No.
So we had the Jay in place, didn't we?
Yeah.
And he answered Dawn's questions. We hope you enjoyed that, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
So this week we got all our usual features, haven't we? Such as a mystery song, where we have 5 different songs from 5 different decades this week, you know?
Yeah.
We have to guess which songs are out. We also got history this week with Ross, haven't we? Where are you going this week?
Albert Dock.
The Albert Dock. We'll be going there on Thursday, yeah, don't we?
Yeah.
Along with the British Music Experience Museum, yeah.
Yeah.
And we also got Ethan. Where are you taking us this week?
From Chicago to Indianapolis on the Monon Railroad, or the Chicago, Indianapolis, and Louisville Railway.
And we got Lisa here with her charts. She's up and running. And Kean's here somewhere as well, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's in the school somewhere. And he'll be along with his jokes later in the show, yeah?
Yeah.
And we also got Max and Peter with the sports updates here.
Yeah.
And we also got Oshan with news around the school here. And we also got our interview for this week, haven't we gone?
Yeah.
Who are we interviewing this week? Who's our special guest?
Jake from Hollyhead Lutheran.
Yeah, Jakes will be here shortly with his interview, Yosh.
Yes.
And, yeah. So, what song are we going to start today, Don?
Can't Shout by the Beatles.
Liverpool's finest, get on.
Yeah.
Since we're going to Liverpool. And this week's show will be about British artists, get on.
Yeah.
So, let's continue with the Beatles. Twist and Shout.
Well, shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on, baby. Come on and work it on out. Work it on out. Well, work it on out. Work it on out. You know you look so good. Look so good. You know you got me going now. Got me going. Just like I knew you would. Like I knew you would. Well, shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on, baby. Come on and work it on out. Work it on out. You know you twist it, little girl. Twist it, little girl. You know you twist so fine. Twist so fine. Come on and twist a little closer now. Twist a little closer. Let me know that you're mine. Let me know you're mine. Baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on, baby. Come on and work it on out. Work it on out. You know you twist it, little girl. Twist it, little girl. You know you twist so fine. Twist so fine. Come on and twist a little closer now. Twist a little closer. Let me know that you're mine. Know you're mine. Well, take it, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Well, take it, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Well, take it, baby, now. Shake it up, baby.
So that was the Beatles there with Twist and Shout, Yosh.
Yes.
And now we are moving to our mystery song for this week. And this week, it's back to normal this week, Yosh. With the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s and noughties songs, yeah.
Yeah.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Boy. Mystery Boys.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
A subject to
Song number 3 for this week.
Song number 4 week.
when you feel
Song number 5 this week.
So we hope we got all the songs correct. And the next song is Gavin Brigade by Police Scott Cogan, Yosh.
Yes,
And it's requested by you, Yosh.
yes.
And it is Precious Music this week, yeah. So here's Josh's request here on Radio Can.
I was 16 when they said it would be over by the time that I left school. Now I am 18 as we march by shattered churches, past the ruined corpses of horses in mud pools. Stood on the fire step, caught in the moment, cigarettes glowing, these Devon boys are strong. Now I am 19, and I await this dawning 4th October with a bone deep fear. I've got some leave soon. If I'm not pushing daisies by then, I hope to see you. If I'm not still here, stood on the fire step, rain stopped falling, stars frame these fireworks in hell. With ghosts in the trenches, I raise my pistol. I wonder where God is now. It's hard to tell. My brother, you should hear the choir. The lark sings above the wire. And tell our mother that I love her. Tell our pa that I was brave, I could have run. That's not how we made. Stood on the fire step, lost in the moment, cigarettes glowing, these Devon boys are strong. Built by farm work, rising early to walk the cows back home with the dawn. My brother, you should hear the choir. The lark sings above the wire. And tell our mother that I love her. Tell our pa that I was brave. The whistle blows for our brigade.
This is the history. This is the history. Song was apparently Devon Brigade by Police Dog Hogan. It's a new album, so hope you enjoy that song. Today we're going to Royal Albert Dock, Liverpool. Why, Dion?
Because we're going down first, where are we going?
Yes, we're going to Liverpool on Thursday. So that's why we're doing Royal Albert Dock. So I hope you enjoy it. So the Royal Albert Dock in Liverpool is a complex of dock building and a warehouse in Liverpool, England, designed by Jesse Hartle and Philly Hardwick. It was opened in 1846 and was the first structure in Britain to be built from cast iron brick and stone with no structural wood. As a result, it was the first non-combinatable warehouse system in the world too. It was known simple as Albert Dock until 2018 when it was granted a royal charter and had the honorific royal added to its name. At the time of its construction, the dock was considered to be related in the design because ships were loaded and unloaded directly to the warehouse. 2 years after it opened, it was modified to feature the world's first hydraulic crane due to its open yet secure design. The dock became a popular store for valuable cargo such as brandy, cotton tea, silk, tobacco, ivory and sugar. However, despite its advanced design, the rapid development of shipping technology meant that within 50 years, large and more open docks were required, although the Albert Dock remained a valuable store for cargo during the Second World War. Why do we need to hear that? Okay. The dock was requisitioned by the Admiral, serving as a base for ships of British Atlantic Fleet. The complex was damaged during air raids on Liverpool, notable during the May Blitz of 1941. In the aftermath of the war, the financial problem of the owners and the general decline of docking in the city meant that the future of Albert Dock was uncertain. Numerous plans were developed for the reuse of the buildings, but none came to fruition, and in 1972 the dock was finally closed, having lain derelict for nearly 10 years. The development of the dock began in 1981 when the Merseyside Development Corporation was set up, with Albert Dock being officially reopened in 1984. So today the Royal Albert Dock is a major tourist attraction in the city and the most visited multi-use attraction in the United Kingdom. Outside London, the 5 warehouses which make the complex covered in 1925, is the biggest such group of grade A listed buildings anywhere in the UK. Wow. The history of Albert Dock dates back to 1837 when Jesse Hartle first began the development of plans for combined dock and warehouse system. The plans drawn up by Hartley and fellow civil engineer Philip Hardwick for the Albert Dock were at the time considered quite radical, as they envisioned the loading and unloading of ships directly from the warehouse. However, this idea was not even new, and far as the 1803 Warehousing Act legacy had been passed to allow this form of development to occur, while the concept was first actually used in the construction of St Catherine's Dock in London, which was opened in 1828. As part of the development process, Hartley was eager to test the fire resistance of any particular design by construction an 18-foot 5.5 million by 10-foot 3.3 million dummy structure filling in the which timber and tar and setting in our life after testing severe structural design. He settled on the combination of cast iron, brick, sandstone and granite. The design was submitted for planning permission in 1839, although it was not until 1841 when the bill authorising the design of a dock was eventually passed by Parliament that construction was allowed to begin. Wow. So when it was constructed, the Royal Albert Dock was considered a state-of-art docking system built almost entirely from cast iron, stone and brick. The Albert Dock was designed to be fireproof and Compliance was the first non-combustible warehouse system provided in 1,029,000, I'm not repeating that, square feet, or 1,200,000 warehouse space, and dock basin had the water area of 7.75 across 3.14 ha. In its construction, over 23 million bricks were used at 47 million tons of mortar. In total, it cost expensive $782,265, approximately 41 million today. While today is estimated to be worth 230 million, the building design complements many existing construction techniques with what were considered at the time radical solutions. The warehouse are supported by a large load-bearing wall, range from being 3 foot 0.91 million thick at the base to the 19 inches 480 millimeter on the fourth level. One of the most advanced architectural features in the use of stress skin roofing, which at the time of construction was virtual inherit of huge iron trusses are constructed with serrated and galvanized wrought iron plates, creating a shape similar to an upturned boat hull that acts to support a roof above the floors in the upturned boat hull that acts to support the roof above the floors in the warehouse are supported by a large iron column, and the space between were considered highly flexible as new window, stairwell and lift shafts could be added without risk to be building structural integrity. The advanced design stretches for beyond what can be seen from the ground. The structures are free from wood, but their foundation contain 13.729 piles of timber which would stretch for 48 miles, 77 km in length, laid end to end. Such heavily supported foundations were needed because the constructed land was reclaimed from the River Mersey to build on, given the quicksand nature of the Mersey's tidal slates. The piles were needed to provide maximum stability. The result effect of the dock being constructed where it was is that the north and west stacks, now Merseyside Martinum Museum and Colinders, rise and fall with every tide. One of the most notable features of Albert Dock are the huge cast iron columns that line the quayside. At 15 feet, 4.6 million, high and almost 13 feet, 4.0 millimeter in circumference. The columns are based upon the Greek Doric style of architecture, heartily designed to use cast iron was an economic on as at the time. It was cheaper than granite, nonetheless, because of a huge dock wall that were built in Albert Dock. Construction required so much granite that the dock trusts had to open their own mine in Kirkcudbright in Scotland, wherever that is. The quality of the build material used as well as the dock's sheer size are constructed a strong illusion of the great proprietorate that the Port of Liverpool afforded. The city at the time and the building style is described as Coco-Plain Classicapen, wherever is that. Anyway, so hope you enjoy this. The next song is We Will Rock You by Queen, because we're going to the museum in Liverpool this week on Thursday. Goodbye for now.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street. You're gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it out. We will rock you. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes, gonna make you zombie someday. You got mud on your face, big disgrace. Somebody better put your bag into your place. We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you. Everybody, we will rock you. We will rock you. All right.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. Welcome back to Great American Railroad Journeys. We'll be in Indiana for a while, so we're going from Chicago to Indianapolis. Starting in Chicago's Union Station, take the Amtrak Cardinal, formerly the Hoosier State, to Indianapolis. Now rewind back to 1935, and you're on the Chicago, Indianapolis, and Louisville Railway, that's a mouthful, Hoosier, sporting RPO, coach, diner, and observation cars, or some REA boxcars or reefer cars for express goods. The Monon took great pride in running its service up until 1959. Starting in 1911 up until 1959. Onto locos of note. Be prepared for this. The locos are 462s, or commonly called a Pacific. Yes, we're doing the common wheel arrangement again. There are 24 built. The mathematics are pretty difficult. So we got numbers 400 to 403, that's 4. 410 to 414, 5. 420 to 422, that's like 12. 430 to 432, that'll be 15. 440 to 445, that's divided into two different threes, 440 to 442, and 443 to 445. And finally, another 4, another 3, 450 to 452. All divided between the KY, later K1A, that's 400 to 403. K2s, later K2As, that's 410 to 414. K3, later K3As, that's 420 to 422. K4, later K4A, 430 to 432. K4, K5, and K5A, that's 440 to 442, and 443 to 445 for the K5 and K5As. Finally, 450 to K6, which are 450 to 452. K5A, number 445, and K6, number 451, are colored for the Indiana University and Purdue University, respectively. And finally, all these engines are scrapped, meaning none of them survive to present day. But today you're on Amtrak's Cardinal, which meant that the Hoosier was discontinued in 1959 and saw a brief revival under Amtrak as the Hoosier stayed between 1980 and 2019. And Indianapolis explored many sites and remember the Monon's many colourful rolling stock. From the whites, greys and reds up the passenger fleet to the blacks and golds of diesel to freighters. The trip will take you 4 hours and 54 minutes. It costs £50 or 55 pence in 1935 money. Locus of that answer is the Chicago, Indianapolis and Louisville Railway, again mouthful, K-Class Pacifics. Next up is Lacey's charts, but before then, get the MTH Monon's College locos at Western Muffins trains. The 445 will cost you $12.99.99. The 451 will be $100 more at $13.99.99.
Thank you, Ethan, for guys this week. So now we've got the charts. At number 5 we got Super by the Sargent Boys, and number 4 we got Nice to Meet Each Other by Olivia Dean. At number 3 we got Where the Hell Is My Husband by Ray. And number 2 we got Golden by Huntrix. I've got a Mirror Ramen shirt from Shane, so I will wear it when it arrives. And at number 1 we got Men I Knew by Olivia Dean. We are not playing because it's copyright. Instead, we're going to be Spice Girls with Wanna Be. Hope you enjoy it.
Yo, I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. Don't tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. Don't tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really wanna zig a zig. If you want my future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. Now don't go wasting my precious time. Get your act together, we could be just fine. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. Don't tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really wanna zig a zig. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is. What you think about that? Now you know how I feel. Say you could handle my love. Are you for real? I won't be hasty. I'll give you a try. If you really bug me, then I'll say goodbye. Yo, I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. Don't tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really wanna zig a zig. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is. So here's a story from A to Z. You wanna get with me, you gotta listen carefully. We got M in the place who likes it in your face. You got G like MC, who likes it on a easy V, who doesn't come for free. She's a real lady. And as for me, how you'll see, stomp your body down and wine it all around. Stomp your body down and wine it all around. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta make it last forever. Stomp your body down and wine it all around. Stomp your body down and wine it all around. Stomp your body down and wine it all around. Stomp your body down and zig a zig. If you wanna be my lover,
You talk too much, you worry me to death. You talk too much, you even worry my pet. You just talk too much. You talk about
about people wherever you go. You just talk too much. You talk about people that you never seen. You talk about people, you can make me scream. You just talk too much. You talk too much, you worry me to death. You talk too much, you even worry my bed. You just talk too much. You talk about people that you don't know. You talk about people wherever you go. You just talk too much. You talk about people that you never seen. You talk about people, you can make me scream. You just talk too much.
But she moves like lightning, and she counts to 3. Then she turns out all the lights and says she's coming for me. Now put your hands up, this is a heist, and there's no one in here living gonna make it out alive. Load it up when the sun comes down, getaway car for 2 young lovers. Me and the girl straight out of town, over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. We go together, Adam and Eve. But the girl is so much more than just another apple thief. Yeah, she's a genius. Watch and learn how she sets the world on fire just to watch the sucker burn. Load it up when the sun comes down, getaway car for 2 young lovers. Me and the girl straight out of town, over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Throw a party, yeah. Throw a party on the day that I die. Throw a party, baby. Throw a party on the day that I die. Load it up when the sun comes down, getaway car for 2 young lovers. Me and the girl straight out of town, over the hills and undercover, undercover, undercover. She said, green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die.
Green Green Grass by George Ezra. Hope you enjoy that song. Now we've got news around the school. Da iawn, Mr John. Cynnal 6 am rhedeg hanner marathon. Da iawn, well done, in Cardiff. Dros y penwythnos. Rhif 2, mae ceint 3 a ceint 5 yn mynd I Lerpwl dydd Iau. So that's good, isn't it, Dion?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah. So hope you everyone enjoying that. Number 3, I'm going to Nottingham over the weekend to see the Sleeper Band.
Yeah.
So I think I'm going to be enjoying that. Number 4, there is rugby, the usual, every Wednesday, 3:15 with on till 4:15. So I think it's a good thing, but the bad thing, your parents have to stay. But anyway, moving on. Number 5, there is no cafe this week on Friday because there's people having teacher training, having Chinese training, I think. I figured out now some classes having Chinese training. I'm not naming any classes, but I think I figured out there's Chinese training. Only,
Chinese.
yeah, definitely Chinese from fucking Pimp. I think it's Chinese training for them at lunchtime. Yeah, probably. The next one after the news on school is going to be Queen, another one, Bite the Dust. Hope you enjoy that song.
Good song, that, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
And now we got your answers for today's mystery song, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
So our 60 song, Dawn, was?
So Man by Sam and Dave.
And our 70 song was Sung Blue by Neil Diamond, yeah?
Yeah.
And our 80 song, Dawn?
Mado, Fire.
And that's by John Parr, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
And our 90 song was Sit Down by James.
And the
The Manchester World of Rock, yeah, mate?
Yeah.
And our naughty song was gone.
Mr. Fight Side by The Killers.
Okay, so that's all your mystery song answers for this week. And now here's us with the leaderboard answers. Let's see who wins today.
For doing the mystery song answers. Now I got the picture round answers, the leaderboard. So the same thing as we do every week. The leaderboard this week was name the city from their landmark from the UK. So hope you got them all right. And number 9 we got Kane 1. Cainteen. They got apparently 2 out of 15. Apparently. Cynaf Pimp. They got 2 out of 15 as well. Number 8 we got Canol Inn. They got 4 out of 15. Number 7 they got Cane Tree. Got 5 out of 15. Cynaf Saith, they got 7 out of 15. Cynaf Tree got 7 out of 15. Also in number 6, we got Cynaf Inn. They got 7 out of 15. Well done. Number 5, we got Canol Dai. Got 9 out of 15. Well done. Also, number 4, we got Caint Dai. They got 10 out of 15. Very, very well. Number 3, Cynaf Pedwar got 11 out of 15. Number 2, we got apparently Caint Pedwar. They got 13 out of 15. Well done. And also Dwynwen got 13 out of 15. And Cynaf Dai got 13 out of 15. Well done. So, number 1, we got Cynaf Chwech. They got 14 out of 15. And they got very well. Swyva got 14 out of 15. There's no one having full house this week, but hope you're getting it all right next week. But well done for trying your best. The next song we're going to have, it's a new song from James apparently. It's a song called Our World, if the boys can find it on the system. So it's Our World by James. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next week, hopefully.
I'm ourselves. Plastic soil forever, chemicals. Everyone breathe, everyone breathe. Spit, don't swallow. People with no history are destined to spin and repeat. Nobody sees their own shadow. Because our world isn't your world. You just stole the world. She'll spin free. Our forefathers plundered freely, turned freedom into slavery. Had a set of beliefs to put their minds at ease. One that forgives and blesses their excesses. Now we're owned by our relatives' greed. Fake democracies come cheap. Profit today from our children's tomorrow. Get rich quick in El Dorado. Our world isn't your world. You just stole the world. She'll spin free. Our world isn't your world. We don't own the world. She came for free. Why obsess with nationality? We're all mutts. We are family. We have a dream. We have a dream. Share, don't spoil. Every part is life. Every piece intertwined. We're a part of a piece of the whole. Only fools think we own what a soul is to grow. I'm a fool, I don't know, but I'm trying.
Hello, guys. I'm back. But it's back and want to start you after ancient. So so what the guys never source you. So it's currently it's got currently do. So and we got curry match, right? Not boys, which is Chelsea. Sobu, Wolves. Rugby, which is the guys here. Which is Close, which is Bottom. Newcastle, which is Rugby. Man City, which is Ferguson. Fulham, which is Arsenal. Spurs, which is Aston Villa. Liverpool, which is Burnley. West Ham, which is Breakfast. So, here are the guest worship. It goes away. So, start with the North Forest and Chelsea. So, Manchester City was the Chelsea. So now for the police for 4-0 for the Chelsea. Basically, in the draw that 1 month of Berkeley, Mr. Williams won the 3 to Chelsea. That's the easiest one, but and we got a summer birth which is the Wolves. It's a match once. The match decision got 2 new 2 for Wolves. And the very first obviously 2 deal for Wolves. And we went 2 December and deal with the Wolves. Well, don't really care, but we will go ready with the tonight. That just is a good match. But for 1 year for birthday, well, it is just quite bad. What? And the big guy got 1 year for the tonight. And which way in the tour is what one? That's my good score, but so we have the score which is Waltham, Maximum is 2-2, it's draw. Now Mayhew, the 3-1 for Dr. Class, and the Sanders, and this way the Doctor 2-2 for draw. And Newcastle, which is the variety. So Manchester City got 1-1. Manchester City got 1-1. Which makes the City go to be 3 to the Newcastle. But it might be that the Newcastle wins, so that or either. Right, talk about what? Man City was his other. So, 3 years of other. Oh, that's possible, but it's a bit possible. So, get back. 1 year for other. That's a good one. 1-3. Well, I'll say the same guy. What? Next. Oh no, sorry. I don't know. So 3 there was 2-1. I mean, so 4-1. That's a good one. And the name one is which is Apple. 1 deal. The apple. That's a good source. So, we've got the same source at 1 deal. And which means it's like it. 1-3 to the asshole. And with this one, is Spurs, which is Aston Villa. 3 deals to Aston Villa. Well, it will be, so, 3 deals to Aston Villa. 2 gills as well. That's a bit difficult. We have Blue, which is Man United in this league, in all this league. Liverpool, which is Man United in this league. So, 4 gills for Liverpool. Look at this one. 7 gills for Liverpool. 1-2. For that day. But that took a really hard match. What? We have a West Ham, which is a Breakfast, and 1 game for Breakfast. That would be nice. The Breakfast, and 2 games for Breakfast, and we have 2-3 in the which way well. So And you've got the table here. On top is the asshole. Liverpool 15. Spurs 14. Bolton 14. Man City 13. Crystal Palace 12. So Chelsea is 11 points. Others also 11. Southampton also 11. Man United 10 points.
Yay!
Newcastle 9 points. Viking also 9 points. After this, 9 points. Rotherham 8. Leeds United also 8 points. Leicester 7 points. Not points 5. As Rangers 4 points for Thursday. And West Ham also 4 points. And Wolverhampton's top 2 and got currently lose. So after only lost the beginning makes breakthrough after he crossed over £1,000,000. As the Spurs, the Spurs started so the best injured is sick back just a second after return. And after this, and Rockets is injured. So, honestly, there's a stuff here. Let's talk about the teachers. Let's talk about the cover back.
In the summertime, when the weather is high, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather's fine, you got women on your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If a daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If a daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Speed along the lane, you can turn or a turn of 25. When the sun goes down, you can make it good and live by. We're not great people, we're not dirty, we're not mean. We love everybody, but we do as we please. When the weather's fine, we go fishing or go sailing in the sea. We're always happy, lives we live in, yeah, that's our philosophy. Sing along with us, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, da-da-da-da-da, yeah, we're happy. Da-da-da, dee-da-da-dee-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da, alright, da-da-da-da-da-da. Alright. When the winter's here, yeah, it's party time. Bring a bottle, wagon back, 'cause it'll soon be summertime. And we'll sing again, we go driving, or maybe we'll settle down. If she's rich, if she's nice, bring your friends and we'll all go into town. In the summertime, when the weather is high, you can stretch right up and touch the sky. When the weather's fine, your mind. Have a drink, have a drive, go out and see what you can find. If a daddy's rich, take her out for a meal. If a daddy's poor, just do what you feel. Speed along the lane, you can turn or return to 25. When the sun goes down, you can make it good and live by. When I grab people, when I dirty, when I mean, we love everybody, but we do as we please. When the weather's fine, we go fishing or go sailing in the sea. We're always happy, life's we're living, yeah, that's our philosophy. Sing along with us, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee, da-da-da-da-da, yeah, we're happy, da-da-da, dee-da-da-dee-da-da-da-da.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Hey, you just heard that In the Summertime by Mungo Jerry, yeah, Dawn?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, Kieran. Okay, so we are in a different area tonight, aren't we, Osh?
Yeah, we are.
As we got Jakes here from the Holyhead Youth Club. Hello, Jakes.
Hello,
How are you? Good, thank you. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, so our first question we got here for you today is: have you ever been to a live concert? Who would you like? If not, who would you like to see live?
My favourite singer was John Lennon. I would have liked to gone to and hear him sing.
Yeah.
Yeah, John Lennon's one of the Beatles, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, Kieran.
Yeah.
Yes. Imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine, that's my favourite song.
Yeah, same. Yeah. Who is your favourite football of all time?
My favourite is Gary Lineker.
Who's your favourite football player?
Gary Lineker was my favourite football player. He used to play for Everton.
Did he?
Yes.
Yeah.
And he went from Everton to Barcelona.
How long have you been doing Flu Club?
This is my 36th year
Wow.
doing youth club.
Wow, 36.
36
Wow.
years.
Wow.
So you started in 36 years ago.
Yes.
Goodness.
36 years ago. I was young then. I
Wow.
was young.
How long have you been starting to work for the youth club?
I started. What year was it? 36. What is it now? 25. 1987, I think it was.
Wow, 1987.
Wow.
That is a long time ago, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it, Kieran?
Yeah.
He's just laughing here.
And I must say that Holyhead Youth Club is my favourite.
Wow.
Is it?
So is it better than one you worked before summer?
In the library.
Yes, I prefer this club.
Oh, you hear that, Max?
Good luck hearing this, Max.
Yeah. Good luck.
Yeah, but Max was here as well, wasn't he?
Yeah, he was.
Yeah.
Max is asking, why do you support Everton?
I support Everton because they are a much better team than Aston Villa.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely.
Definitely. Yeah. Aston Villa in the bin.
Yeah. Can't wait for Max to hear this. Yeah, Kieran.
Yeah. Is it true you used to play for Everton reserves?
When I was a young lad, I went to Everton for trials and I got to the 18.
Wow. How did it get along for you?
Pardon?
How did it get along for you? Good?
Yeah, but you had to be right, very, very, very good to make the grade. And I was a bit below that.
What is your goalie handicap?
My golf handicap is 14.
Wow. 14.
Wow.
14, and I
Wow.
play at dros Niger Golf Club.
Cool.
Wow, cool.
Yeah, Kieran. How many trophies could you have for which sports?
I had a load of trophies with football,
Yeah.
and then when I retired from football, I went refereeing, and I had about 30 for refereeing.
Wow.
What? 30 red cards?
No, not
No,
red cards, no,
No.
No, Kieran.
30 red cards, definitely.
Yeah.
What is your best meal that you can cook?
My best meal I can cook is Sunday roast.
Oh,
nice.
yes.
Now, what meat can you cook the best?
Beef.
Oh,
Nice.
beef.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice, yeah, mate.
I'd rather eat worm or go with watch Man United play in the full United kit.
Oh, that's easy. That's easy to answer. I'd rather eat worms.
Oh. I knew it.
I know it.
Did you know it, Kieran?
Yeah.
Okay, so Jakes, our usual 10th question is which song would you like to finish off the show with?
Imagine All the People
By John Lennon, yeah?
by John Lennon.
Okay, so we're going to finish off with Imagine by John Lennon, yeah?
Yes.
Go on.
Yeah.
We're going to see you next week for week 41 of Radio Caribbean. And we'd like to thank Jakes for taking our time today.
Thank you very much for having me.
And this is our first ever interview outside of school, isn't it? Elton?
Yes. Right,
Isn't it,
first
Don?
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're recording this in Holyhead, aren't we?
Yes.
So, thank you, Jakes. We'll see you next week for week 41. When we're going to be interviewing Natalie, yeah, also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And on.
Yeah.
So, we'll see you next week. Want to say bye, Kieran?
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for, and no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger, or brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one.
you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Cab, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Cả khi tân tổ thì đặt giá tràn, đặt giá tràn.
Radio Time, Radio Time, Radio
Cả khi tân tổ thì đặt giá tràn, đặt giá tràn.
You're listening to Radio Time, Radio Time.